If you want to enable or disable the Do Not Disturb mode on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to open Settings. On the left side we're going to scroll down to find Notifications, and then in here in these settings you want to go to Do Not Disturb. Here you can manually enable and disable DND mode by tapping on the switcher. When you try to turn it on, you can choose for how long you want the DND mode to be activated, and you can also set it to until I turn it off, so then you can manually turn off whenever you need to. You can also choose for how long over here, so you can adjust that in here as well. We also have additional options like the schedule, so you can have the DND mode. You can set it up to be automatic, and in addition to that, you can activate or deactivate the DND mode by going to Quick Settings or the Control Center. Over here, if you scroll down on this panel, you should be able to reveal the Do Not Disturb button. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.